The museum here is special because it has this kind of magic to it. It comes alive. They hiss and puff and breathe and chug. It really is just an immersive experience that people love and go wide-eyed over. My name's Daniel Page and I'm the Rail Operations Manager at the New South Wales Railway Museum at Thirlmere, and I've got the coolest job in the Wallandilly. We're Australia's largest rail museum. We've got over 50 locomotives and over 100 beautifully restored carriages, each with their own story to tell. Opulence and gold-plated fittings and marvellous craftsmanship, all the way down to the lowly commuter trains that served Sydney and regional New South Wales for decades and decades. This is an extraordinary time to explore Sydney's backyard, and what a backyard it is. Really, at the end of the day, it's about putting a smile on our visitors' faces.